guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my favorite squishies. I know I just did a video, I uploaded it, saying I was doing a favorite squishy collection, but I made more. So there's like a lot now, so I'm going to go. I only have like 2 jumbo squishies. So the first one I'm going to do is my jumbo squishies, a medium, then small. So the first jumbo squishy is my lemon. I know it kind of looks like an orange. It kind of looks like an orange, actually. But this one I just made. It's really squishy. There's a little tape right there. I'll take it. And guys, remember, paper squishies aren't going to look the best, because I didn't put tape over this one. I forgot to. But, like, it's like a whoopee cushion. But it's like a jumbo lemon. But, okay. Next one, I'll go with, this is like, not even jumbo. I think that's like my only jumps. Okay, now we're going to go with medium. Okay, so we have this chocolate bar. This is Hershey chocolate. Or chocolate Hershey on it. So yeah, that's it. Super squishy, except it's not as slow rising. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Next, we're going to go with this one. It's another chocolate bar. It's really bad though. It's a chocolate bar. Comment down below what's your favorite one in this collection. Wait until the video is all done. Super squishy. Oh, that's all. Next one, I have this panda bun. Yeah, it looks kind of weird. It's a panda bun. It has a little bow. I have this gingerbread. Oh no, wait, this is a potato squishy. Yeah, this is a potato. It kind of looks like a potato, kind of not. Except, like, just ignore this. Like, look at that big chunk. But yeah, that's potato. The next one we have is a donut. Squishy. Sprinkle donut. Next we have this star. It's a starfish. He has sunglasses on. Well, it looks like eyes, but they're sunglasses. I just forgot to put the little things. Next we have, let's do that. That one's small. Wait, I'm going to put them in order. Those are smalls. These are mediums that are left, right? Yeah. Next one we have is orange. Super squishy. Has a little hole in it, but most of them have faces, some don't, some don't. We have this cookie. The cookie's my favorite. It's a chocolate chip cookie because it just looks like so realistic. We have a ice cream. Sprinkles. We have a little heart bun. Just to be a bun, like it's not. Just I don't know. want to make a hard squishy. Then we have this thing. I have no idea. I just wanted to make it because, like, I didn't have no clue what to make, and I was just gonna make it a bunny. It's supposed to be winking, but it doesn't really look like it. It kind of does, but it's like a skier. And then now we're gonna go to my small ones, which I only have 2 small ones, so that's what's left. So I have this muffin. And I have this popsicle. It's a rainbow popsicle. And that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just going to show you all of them in a big pile. So many. How much I have? So many. I just love them. They feel so squishy. This probably is my favorite, and the cookie, because I love it when it's like so jumbo. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Smash the like button, that subscribe button, that bell button, ding ding, Taco Bell's here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. And make sure to comment what your favorite squishy was. Bye.